The most capped lion is legendary Irish lock Willie John McBride, who amassed 7. And we're about to go. Kicks it off long. Kick off nicely taken in.
It's so easy to drop the ball in a situation like that, but I gotta say, you never look like dropping it.
Richard Hibbert forced back in the tackle.
They'll want to try and capitalise on this.
The number 8. And it comes back. Great work. That's a lovely pass. The right winger gets some speed up. That turned it over. Beautifully done.
Good turnover. Excellent stuff.
Yep, that's right, Justin. And the penalty is given.
The tackle was a bit high.
The Lions really looking to build the pressure here. They want to try. Brazil with the choice. It'll be a dropout, I suspect. First scrum of the match.
Touch. Set.
With the footer. Defence has looked very solid. Both teams putting pressure on. The Lions have stolen this. The ball is out, collected by... And it's gone across the touchline. So, line out here. The lock is the target. Oliveira tries his luck with a kick. George North picks it up. Oliveira unable to stop it. Not a bad run, this. George North showing plenty of speed. Jicks his way past. And he's over for their first try.
And he's just looked unstoppable in that try.
That is a superb try.
Brilliant, well done.
Dead right, Justin. Lee, halfback, converts the try, and it's 7-0. Kicks off with a short one. Hibbert takes in the kickoff. He puts on a good burst. He's trying to turn it over quickly. Oh, here's a penalty.
Hit him high there. Well, I'm wondering if the ref will think that that warrants a trip to the bin.
And it's gone into touch. The lock claims it, and the ball goes loose.
Well, the ball came loose, but it went backwards. They were lucky there.
Advantage.
Advantage fails to put his man away. Advantage gone now. The Lions' defence under real pressure here. There's the ball.
Advantage.
Here's a chance.
The tight head prop brought down now. Roberts picked up the penalty.
Offside surely. Yeah, that's the call.
Brazil really want to put the pressure on here. They'll look for touch. They'll have a line out. The number 4 dragged it down nicely. Nice defence. Good turnover ball.
Did well to create the turnover.
Bang on, Justin. And they'll take the line out.
Back on now. He's done his time and should be raring to go. It's a perfect opportunity.
The number 5 takes it nicely. More forming on the catcher. into the defence. Turnover.
They were banking on getting this back, and now they have.
And he goes straight through. The centre unable to hold it. The Lions are under immense pressure here. Burst out of the first one. Trying to get a drive going here. The front rower unable to stop it. Roberts trapped near his own goal line. Phillips keeps going. Faletau near in support. Phillips, boy, he's got some strength. He takes it past halfway. He's nearly there. What a run. Oh, what a try.
Well, they were never going to catch him, and that's a brilliant try.
Pure entertainment. What a great try.
How good has he been? He's been everywhere.
Absolutely. Flags are up. 14-0. So, half-time here. Lions lead by 14-0. The ref has arrived and we're ready for the second half. Brazil attempt to regather the short kick. Sam Warburton, not quite so easy to put away. And they drive him into the ground. Looks like it's there. There's some real force in this defence. Back to his feet quickly and wrestling for the ball. The Lions a bit slow to get to it. Powerful defence. And he's out of the tackle. He's got the loose ball. Carried out by the impact there. The second rower stretching up.
They've done really well in the line-out so far. It's working perfectly for them.
Brazil driving on. And they've got it at the back there. Launching himself at the defence. Ball turned over.
Well, there's a lot of work for them to do to try and tidy this game up. They've turned the ball over far too often.
Warburton misses it. Crunches it up. Good, strong run. The lock finally stopped. The front rower unable to hold it. Jonathan Sexton feeds it on. And that's been lost forward. Referee playing advantage here.
His hand's just letting him down on that occasion, and he's knocked it on.
Advantage was being played, so back for the scrum.
Touch. Set.
Brutal contest in the scrum. Furious looking scrum down here. Ball is out now. Phillips misses him. Borges driven backwards. Great turnover.
It's already a big issue for them, the turnovers. They're just losing the ball too often.
Yep, totally agree. Phillips and the pick and go. He's got no one left to beat. He is sure to score.
Advantage.
Oh, he's lost the ball forward. That's ruined their chance now. So, unable to work it, and they'll come back for the scrum instead.
Crouch. Touch. Set.
Pushing from both teams. Both teams putting pressure on. Brazil under real pressure at scrum time. Halfback takes the ball. That's gone dead, and I suspect they'll take the kick here. .22-metre restart now. Breaks the tackle and pushes on. Number 3 finds support. That tackle hasn't slowed him down. The Lions have turned it over.
It was good work by them leading up to that.
Roberts gets the ball away. That's a very flat pass. Beautiful offload. Brazil struggling to put him away. They're able to stop him. Got through the first tackle. Knock on was the call. Referee playing advantage.
Yeah, he just lost into the contact there. Good hit on him, though. There have been quite a high amount of handling errors in this match. It's definitely an area of concern.
Lions with a good advantage on the score. Brutal contest in the scrum. Ball is out now.
Advantage.
Sure, clever pass. Ball lost forward. Oh, it's a penalty.
Well, it was a marginal call. He was only just offside, but the referee was right there.
So, just a few minutes remaining here. Powerful defence. Possible turnover here. Nice short pass. Now flat. The second 5'8", plenty of pace. This will be a try for sure. It's a try.
Good try. They are looking good on the scoreboard now.
Absolutely exceptional try.
He certainly knows his ball skills are outstanding, and he uses them to his full potential.
Yeah, I think you're right, Justin. And the kick is over. Score now 21 points to 0. And the arms are raised as they take the victory. The Lions, the winners over Brazil.